So in this video, I might be recording on and off because I supposed to having my dinner in some time. So let's start. My first task is to make. Oh, I was looking for the India VIX. So let me just scroll through market data. Yeah, so I see indices here. So let me just inspect the element here. I am using the Chrome Developer Tools. Going to the Network tab. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, fine. I have a bad habit of opening too many tabs. So let me just check here. So this is something. Let me check if the NSE Nifty VIX is here or not. Control F. Sorry. Control F. VIX. Yeah. So India VIX is here. So let me just find the data here also. I'm just copying it. Control A. Control C. Opening in the JSON validator. Pasting it. Processing. And I usually forget the command of upgrading the Python library because I update it so much time. So many times here. So when you are starting the whole video, if you are copying me, just first you upgrade the NC Python thing. So our agenda was to port over the NSE Pi library today because that is not being maintained for a long time. And many of you guys asked me for the historical functions. I am not a guy who backtest too much, but I will just do it. Let me just go to the README section. Yeah, so the documentation here. I'll not see his code. I'll just check what his code is doing and I'll just do that. So my system is slow, it is upgrading it. It will take some time. Anyways, so let me just inspect the code here. VIX. Yeah, so VIX should be there. Let me, anyways, so right click, copy the link address. You can see what I am doing in the NSE fetch function here. I coded it, so I actually just remember it from C Python. See, my system is so slow. I typed and it is waiting for me to come at once. Yeah. So let me just make a separate function for India Fix because I need it sort of urgently. And what was there? It was in the data. Yeah. For X in range 0, lane. It was in data, right? Price. I guess it should be price, but let me just check. It is last. Okay, last. That's index equal to India VIX. Oops. So Let me just check. Okay, it is upgraded. Let me just run it. It is running fine, but it is not giving any output. Let me just check if I have done it correctly by doing this. Yeah, so this is an easy mistake. And I wrote the spelling wrong. It should come. So it takes enormous time in my machine. So that is fine. If the code works, it will work. So anyways, I'll just see the collab I pasted in the Slack. Let me just find it. I need to port that function to NSE Python, right? Okay, see, it is coming perfectly, so it is a good function. So next I'll port this black squares function to my NSE Python. Anyways, I need to go to it. I'll come back and make the rest of the video.